so much for doing this for us. It really meant a lot.
Absolutely fine. It's fine. Pleasure talking to you.
Yeah, same here. So first, I would like to understand a little bit about your professional background, like in which domain you are working and what is the total number of your experience that you're having currently.
Yeah, my name is Hemant. I'm holding 10 plus years of experience in the IT industry. I work for one of the top MNC companies. And I've been working as a DevOps engineer, and I wanted to upskill myself on the cloud technologies. So I enrolled for this course with the intention of upskilling myself.
Okay, got it. So if you have to describe your learning journey with us in terms of content and instructors, so how would you define it for the Skillfyme DevOps with AI course?
Yeah, it was very good actually. Sonal was the instructor to me. She has been very helpful learning the new contents. She's very knowledgeable, and we've learned a lot under her guidance.
Okay, got it. So as a learner, many of them have a doubt like if you're joining a course, whether you'll get hands-on practice or not. So in terms of that experience, so how would you rate our cloud lab access that was provided to you?
Yeah, we have been given the cloud tools access for us to practice. And whenever there were some doubts, there was a doubt clearing session which was being conducted on the weekends, or even on a demand basis. Actually, we were able to connect with the instructors on the daily, weekdays also. But it was super helpful for us to practically understand the sessions under the guidance of the instructors on weekdays and weekends.
Okay, and lastly, about the support that you receive from the mentors during, like, this is the 3 to 5 months the duration of the course, right? So during that time, you might have some concern related to that course. So how was the support after the course is completed or the class was completed? So how was that?
Yeah, it was helpful. Especially it's all about doubts clearing, right? So we were always getting enough help to clear out doubts, even after the sessions, even after the classes. Team was available for us to help, and it was helpful. Overall, it was a good experience for me to learn the new things under Sonal guidance and the Skillfyme team guidance.
Got it. So lastly, I would like to understand what is your message to the learners who are thinking to join this course? What exactly you're going to tell them so that it will be helpful for them?
I would recommend to take a look into this Skillfyme curriculum first, and if you would like to upskill yourself, I would recommend you to take this course.
Okay. Thank you so much for
Thank you.